today. So we're just on the cleanup phase here at the funeral home. And then yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys this. This is one of my prizes, I guess you could call. This has been handed down from my father's father. And yeah, this is one of the main tools when you're cleaning up a garden. This machete here is about 50-60 years old, but it does the job still. Like I said, this is a big tool that I use also in the gardens. You know, brand new sharp machete for sure is gonna work awesome, but like I said, this is a vintage guy. Came from my father's father, and I'm still using it. Still works great. Might not look great, but it works great. And it's a great tool, like I said. Do some cutting, do some cleaning. And there you go. She's all edged up. And we'll continue on cleaning the garden here. Alright, it's Green Hill Gardens. We're just out here cleaning up. You know, just cleaning up here at the funeral home. Like I said, here's some of the tools of the trade. These are the main tools I use today at the funeral home here to clean up their garden. And yeah, here's a little peek right now at the clean job we did so far. And like I said, majority of the job is already finished. I just have some more planting to do, and then I'll give you guys a peek at everything here very soon. And like I said, that machete did a great job just trimming all these trees. Yeah, there we go. She's looking good.